I'm Automation Day. In the world of CNC automation, reliability and safety aren't optional. They're essential. That's why Fusion created the Automatic Servo Door System, engineered for performance, built for safety. Whether you're running lights-out production or setting up a new automation cell, automatic door systems are a critical part of the equation. Ours is designed and built to your specific CNC machine, available in single or double door configurations. At the heart of the Fusion automatic door is a Siemens self-sensing servo motor, the same proven technology trusted in commercial elevator systems. That means your operators and robots are working with best-in-class safety and performance. The Smart Control module learns and adapts. It senses resistance instantly. No need for additional light barriers, safety edges, or limit switches. It's OSHA compliant and built for peace of mind. We pair the Siemens motor with a timing belt and pulley system enclosed in a rigid extruded aluminum frame, giving you a robust, clean, and fully protected solution. It stands up to industrial demands. Control it through your CNC's I/O signals or use external push buttons. It's flexible and seamless. Ready to take the next step toward a safer, more efficient shop floor? Fusion OEM's automatic door opener is just the beginning. Whether you're boosting productivity, protecting your team, or looking to automate smarter, we're here to help. Call us today at 866-952-9020 or visit fusionoem.com to start your automation journey, because the door to next-gen manufacturing, it just opened. Until next time, have a great day.